Well, we were at center stage, right at the front, just dancing away, having a good time. Jason was playing, and all of a sudden we heard pop, 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 countless of times, and we all thought it was firecrackers.
So tell me what happened.
Well, we were about to start our shift, and we thought we heard firecrackers.
I heard the shots, and I thought, why is there firecrackers in here?
At first, people think it might be firecrackers.
But it sounded like it was firecrackers at first.
It almost sounded like a pack of firecrackers going off.
My wife thought they were firecrackers.
Everybody kind of looked around and said, oh, it's just firecrackers.
Look, it sounded like a lot of firecrackers at first.
And we thought it was firecrackers.
Everybody thought it was like fireworks or something at first. And we heard what we thought were fireworks.
It sounded like some fireworks going off. And
we thought it was fireworks, honestly.
Bam, bam, like fireworks.
I thought fireworks.
We thought it was fireworks, yeah.
It just started popping off like fireworks. It sounded like firecrackers.
It sounded like fireworks.
We were thinking they were fireworks.
Initially thought that they were hearing fireworks before.
It sounds like fireworks.
Yeah. At first I thought it was fireworks.
We thought it was fireworks.
The first time I thought it was fireworks, and
everybody thought it was fireworks or something like that.
We hear the pop, 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 pop.
Pop, pop, pop.
Pop, 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 pop.
It was pop, 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 pop.
And then we kind of heard like a pop, pop, pop noise.
Pop, pop, pop. And it just kept going and going in my...
Everybody thought it was a milk carton exploding.
We heard what sounded like binders dropping, because that happens, especially...
Or a birthday balloon popping.
When we heard like a big pop, and I thought it was like someone like stomping on a chip bag, or like, I don't know, some other thing. And then I thought it was like someone like stomping on a chip bag.
45.
I thought it was like someone like stomping on a chip bag.
Everybody thought it was a milk carton exploding.
And everyone thought it was a balloon. And
So when those shots rang out, did you know what it was?
When the first shot rang out, I thought it was a balloon or a milk carton. A balloon or a milk carton.